Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wig review, and this is a new one that just came out from Outre, and her name is Solana. Now this Solana is from Outre, it's not from the other brand. It's just the same name, but this is a different review. I love this look here. I've actually been waiting for this to come out for about 3-4 weeks, and when it finally dropped, I went ahead and bought it. So I made sure I got it as soon as it hit the website that I bought from. And this one is in the color DRFF Honey Brown. So it's gonna be this one right here. I wanted some color, so we're gonna see how that is looking like. And so let's go ahead and pull it out the bag. So this is what it's looking like fresh out the bag here, out the box. I mean, I love the color and how thick it is. I love it. It's not really thin or anything like that, but this one might frizz up fast, y'all. I don't know. I'm already can tell this how it looks like out the box, and it's a little rough at the end. And this is the card here, and on the back it has the special colors, and this is what the side and the back is looking like. Let's see what she look like on. Oh yeah, and this is the lace. She has a few baby hairs there, and 2 combs in the front, right? Yep. One in the back with the adjustable straps here. And she has a middle part. So let's get this thing here. I'm gonna start off with my wig cap. And I will be wearing a wig grip for this one. Look at all these waves. So that's what she's looking like. I don't know how long this wig gonna last, but it's cute. We'll go ahead and cut off the lace. So that's what she's looking like so far. I went ahead and cut the lace off, but I'm gonna go back in and use my powder foundation that I have and just go in with the lace with it. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. I definitely can't see myself wearing this on a humid day, nor do I want to wear on a humid day, because it is a lot of hair, which I like, but I can see it being a big puff ball eventually one day, and yeah, that wouldn't be a good idea. So definitely not on a humid day or a real hot sticky day. I wouldn't be wearing this one. But this is definitely an inside wig and not an outside wig, okay? Inside wig you wear it when you know you're gonna be inside looking cute, sitting pretty, not dancing and exercising or whatever. So definitely, yeah, wanna be careful with this one. And so instead of plucking, I just went ahead with my makeup and the hairline. And that's all I did. The hairline is okay. It's passable. Yeah, let's see the care guide. It says to detangle the hair into root before shampooing. Carefully wash in lukewarm water with mild shampoo. Follow with the conditioner and rinse. Do not rub, brush the hair while damp, air dry, or gently blow dry. Style once the hair is completely dry. So, yep. I wouldn't sleep in this one either, of course. You never want to do that with synthetic, especially this wig. I wouldn't lay on it in no kind of sort of way. Let me see. This is the back. You see it? And it goes to about right here in the back. And in the front to about right under here. So I would say my favorite thing about this wig is the color, for sure. I really like it a lot. That, what's that, what color is this again? That honey brown, very pretty. I like that. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can see my upcoming videos. All right, bye.